guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and on this channel I share everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so, and let's stay connected.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Hello friends, I am so happy to have you here. As the title says, today I am bringing you a satisfying cleaning motivation video. Yes, I cleaned our resort room, our Disney resort room, while on vacation. Okay, wait. Now, before you think I'm crazy for cleaning a hotel room on a vacation, let me explain this to you. So this place is not a hotel room, it is a resort. So housekeeping don't show up until the 4th or 5th day of your stay. So I'm not gonna sit around in a mess waiting for housekeeping to come clean my room. So I decided to get it done myself, and I am taking you guys along with me. I'm starting off with laundry. We stayed here for a few days, so we have some laundry to get done. And here I'm just sorting the clothes.
Even though you wouldn't do the same.
And this is the laundry detergent they have, and just a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out how this machine works. This is not my place, so I'm trying to figure out how this washing machine works.
Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. 5 times I've just fallen. Of them I can't bear listening to.
Back to the bedroom. I'm gonna start making the bed while the clothes are getting washed.
I promise I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. You just get tired chasing.
So even though housekeeping don't show up on your first 4 or 5 days of staying here, you can still call them to have them bring you some fresh linens, and that's what I did.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
And guys, let me tell you something. This bed is not easy to make. This mattress is so heavy, and I really appreciate the housekeeping people for all they do. I know it's not easy. Shout out to them for making sure our place are clean when we get here. This bed itself just took me about 10 minutes.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
For those of you who don't know, I have a 5-month-old baby. That's why you always see me washing bottles and baby formula everywhere. So I use this nightstand for all her feeding stuff at night. That's why I'm making sure it's clean, disinfected, and free of germs.
Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better.
So this video is coming to you straight from Orlando, Florida. We don't live here, we just on vacation. And this makes me want to ask you guys, where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comment below. I would like to hear it from you. Maybe we have somebody from Florida in the house today.
I could probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep.
Now that I'm done making the bed, cleaning the nightstands, and vacuuming, I'm gonna head to the bathroom next to get that clean as well.
Time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do. Mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is for my time. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to, as long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, oh, my time. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake,
I would like to say a big thank you to each and every one of you that have taken the time to subscribe to my channel and keep coming back to watch my content. I really appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so. It means a lot to me.
it's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road.
So because I wasn't planning on filming content on our trip, I did not bring my tripod. So my husband was kind enough to be my camera guy. So if you see me laughing in the video, I'm not crazy. He's the one making me laugh.
'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best, and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does.
I am going to use the dishwasher, but before I do that, I'm gonna rinse the dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. I don't like putting my dishes in the dishwasher with food in them. I usually rinse them before I put them in the dishwasher.
I don't wanna waste a minute. Don't have any plans, bring it. If you got a glass, fill it. 'Cause I need it now. Monday is a bitch in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it now. Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. I got money.
And guys, I did not see that coffee in the mug at all. I can't believe I spent the last 5 minutes rinsing my dishes so they're clean, or almost clean before I put them in the dishwasher, only to spill coffee on them again.
I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all.
This is the Dapple baby bottle and dish soap. That's what I use to clean my kids' bottle because I don't like using anything too strong to clean the bottles. It is a plant-based soap, hypoallergenic, and it can remove up to 50% of more milk residues. So I'm gonna try to link it in the description down below for the mamas that would like to give it a try.
Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to fucking drop.
So like I mentioned it before, this video wasn't planned, so I didn't bring any cleaning stuff with me. So for this cooktop, I am just using regular soap to get the grease off.